Oh no, I'm so late for my flight. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I'm running late for my flight. I have a busy week ahead. Tomorrow, I'm going to skiing lessons. Then the next day, I'm going to surfing lessons. See you after surfing. Hello again. What a week. I planned both a skiing and a surfing trip. Did you notice me using the phrase going to before? Going to is used to explain future plans. Let's head to the classroom and have a look. Welcome to the classroom. Before we begin, please remember to like and share this video to help our channel grow. Thanks for your support. Okay, let's get started. Going to is used when talking about a plan, intention, prediction, or after a decision has been made about some future action. It is commonly constructed with going to plus the base form of the main verb. Here is an example to help you understand. She is going to visit friends. As you can see, going to is used to explain a definite plan. She is going to visit her friends. Let's look at another example where I tell Joe about my shopping schedule for the day. Hello Joe, I'm going to shop this afternoon. Do you want anything? Here you can see how my sentence is divided into each of its parts of speech. This example shows how going to can talk about a future plan on the same day. Let's have a look at an example of how to use going to for something planned for the next day. I will check the emails as soon as I can. I'm going to work tomorrow. This example shows how you can use going to explain a plan set for a future date. Simply changing the rest of the sentence, you can even talk about plans set weeks, months, or years into the future. I hope this has been informative and will help you express yourself in conversations. Feel free to ask questions about the clip in the comment section below. Also, if you have any questions about English, please let us know. In my next clip, I will explain how going to can be used to make predictions that may or may not happen, which is a useful way for someone to express a feeling or belief about an event. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.